Well, pictures that came in a short while back of the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who had rushed to Srinagar last evening post the terror attack in Pahalgam, and he made it a point that he will be reaching Srinagar as soon as possible. And a message that is now going across with the presence of the Union Home Minister in less than 24 hours at the same site where the attack, the massacre happened, and the Union Home Minister there at the very site where the Pahalgam attack had happened. A mini Switzerland of India, but right now these are not scenic pictures that we are looking at. These are pictures that are stained with blood. And a short while back, as far as the meeting that he also held over the Pahalgam terror attack in which 28 people have been killed, he also paid his tribute to the victims of the attack in Srinagar and also met with the grieving families, assuring them that Bharat will avenge this attack. Shortly later, after he was briefed by the officials there at the very site where the attack happened, which has now been cordoned off by the security forces as there are search operations that have been taking place, he's been assuring the survivors of the attack that the perpetrators of this cowardly attack will be brought to justice. Amit Shah was also laying the wreaths on the coffins of the victims as the mortal remains will now be sent back to their homes, to their respective families. And right now, as far as Amit Shah is concerned, he is expected to depart for Delhi to participate in the CCS meeting, which is expected to be chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Pradeep, the message that came across within 24 hours of the attack, the Union Home Minister of India was present at that very attack site.
Yes, you're absolutely right. A very strong message has been sent by Union Home Minister that these Pakistani bullets are not going to shatter our resolve to fight against terror-related activities sponsored from across the border. So terrorists will be sent to grave where they exactly belong. That's what actually the message is being conveyed. And you rightly said within 24 hours, Amit Shah was at a place where they had carried out that brutal attack in which 27 people were killed and many others were critically injured. So by doing so, he is also trying to lend confidence to the people that, see, you are not alone during this hour of grief. The whole nation and the whole country is with you, and the government is with you. They will try to ensure that all those perpetrators are taken to task. Nobody is spared. And the second thing is that we are with you. You come out of this place. Kashmir kisi ke baap ka nahi hai. That's what actually the message they are trying to send to Pakistan. Because at the end of the day, it is basically, if you look at the architect of this gun violence, is none other than Asim Munir, who planned this attack while sitting in Rawalpindi headquarters, because Pakistan army's reputation is all-time low.
Yes.
Their credibility is all-time low. So there are protests against them. There is a violence-related activity against them.
Kashmir prosper, it is Pakistan. And there are designs of all Pakistan footprints that can be seen as far as this dastardly and cowardly terror attack is concerned. Priyank, that is the message that came in from the Union Home Minister, saying that with a heavy heart paid last respects to the deceased of Pahalgam terror attack, Bharat will not bend to terror. The culprits of this dastardly terror attack will not be said. We have Sahil also joining us. He was right there when the Union Home Minister landed a short while back in that very spot where the Pahalgam terror attack happened. Sahil, the Union Home Minister was briefed by the officials over there, and he expected the site when it comes to the attack, the massacre where it happened.
Well, yes, Home Minister landed there in Baisaran Valley, and in fact top officials from Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police and officers who are leading basically the anti-terror operation there in Baisaran Valley in fact briefed Home Minister Amit Shah. It's itself a message, and in fact it's to boost morale of soldiers who are leading this anti-terror operation from yesterday. It's in fact the terrain is very difficult. There are dense forest area which is surrounding this Baisaran Valley. So Indian Army, the Jammu and Kashmir Police Corps and CRPF, who are jointly conducting this operation, are in fact combing those operations and in fact those forest areas. And Home Minister Amit Shah had in fact what we are learning from the sources, Director Security Forces, in fact the officers who are on ground zero and in fact conducting this anti-terror operation to ensure that those terrorists are basically eliminated as early as possible. Right now I'm inside in fact in Pahalgam market, and you can see it's all completely shut. People are protesting, people are in fact observing shutdown against this heinous crime that has in fact taken place here. I have in fact with me Mushtaq Pahalgami, who is a known face here, and he was leading the protest demonstration. I'll speak to him. मुश्ताक, ये जो हत्याकांड हुआ है, जिस तरह से innocent tourists को टारगेट किया गया, आप क्या कहेंगे? कितना बड़ा जो है गुनाह है ये?
अनफॉर्चुनेट है। मैं पहले ये कहूँगा कि हमारे सर जो है शर्म से झुके हुए हैं, क्योंकि इस तरह का हमने 35 साल की टर्माइल में भी नहीं देखा। मेरी भी ज़िंदगी टर्माइल में ही गुजर गई है। मैं 45 साल एज है, तो हमने ये देखा। और पूरे कश्मीर में जब बंद होता था, जम्मू कश्मीर में बंद होता था, पहलगाम भी तब खुला होता था। पहलगाम में ये चीज़ें हमने नहीं देखे हैं। और बहुत बड़ा मसला ये है, बहुत बड़ा सानिया ये है। अगर आप यहाँ देखेंगे, कश्मीर के लोग, खासतौर से पहलगाम के लिदर वैली के लोग, पहलगाम के लोग नम है, सारे मौन है, सारे मातम में हैं। और आप देखिए इस चीज़ को कि मैं भी काफ़ी चैनल्स देख रहा था, क्योंकि ये इंसानियत का कत्लेआम हुआ है। यहाँ पे आदिल शाहनी भी
अपना कौन सा एक्शन लेना चाहिए, तुरंत बताइए।
देखिए, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को हम कहना चाहेंगे, हम सारे लोग कहना चाहेंगे कि जो भी इसमें कल्प्रिट्स है उनको बख्शा ना जाए।
Well, these are the voices there, the locals, the Kashmiris, that the people and the army of Pakistan, and when it comes to their gurus who have been masterminding such kind of attacks, must listen to. The Home Minister saying that the culprits of this dastardly terror attack will not be spared. We'll continue with our coverage only on Times Now.
Okay, don't worry. You okay? You need a water, sir?